What you can see on the screen is the human saliva under the microscope. You guys requested this video, so let's take a look. This saliva sample, aka spit, was taken in the morning, after breakfast and before brushing the teeth. You can see a lot of stuff in there like cheek cells, which are a good source of DNA, food remains, and it looks quite disgusting. Now we are going to look at the second sample, which was taken after brushing the teeth and using a mouthwash. As you can see, it's much cleaner with less stuff in it. So I guess brushing the teeth works. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to check other cool videos on our channel. Brush your teeth and subscribe. Bye!